Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video we're going to talk about Lambda functions. So I'm going to make a multi-line comment here, and Lambda functions are short anonymous functions that can be invoked right when they're defined or can be saved to a variable to be reused again and again. Okay, so let's take a look at an example of this. So if I want to invoke something right on the spot, I might have in parentheses, we're going to use this keyword lambda, and then let's just define this variable x. We're going to do something with x, and let's say we wanted to cube it. So we do lambda x and then a colon, and then what's going to happen to x? So we'll do x times x times x, and then after that, in parentheses, let's put a number that we want to run into this function. So let's just cube 3, and let's print all this stuff. Okay, so if we run this now, what we're going to do is we are going to get 27, which is 3 cubed. So we can run it right on the spot like that, or we could also save it to a variable. So let's say we wanted to save the same thing to a variable. So let's call this variable c because we're cubing it, and we'll do c equals lambda. We'll use x again, and we'll do x times x times x, and then we'll go down here and we'll pass in a few different numbers. So we'll print c with 3 passed in, and we'll also print the function c with, let's say, 5 passed in. All right, so 3 cubed is 27, 5 cubed is 125. So if we run this now, we should get, well, we get 27 and 125 as expected. You could use lambda functions with strings as well. So we could, let's say we want to do a greeting, and we'll use the variable g. We'll say g equals lambda, and then we'll do x, and we'll do an f string, and we'll say something like hello x. Okay, and now we'll run this. We'll print g, and we'll first do hello Tim, and then we'll also run it with g and hello Joe. Okay, so if we run this now, we get hello Tim and hello Joe. So that's a little intro into Lambda functions. You want to play with these yourself and mess with them so you can get a feel for these anonymous functions in Python. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.